According to scientists, if we can get a particle accelerator larger than the current one, and we smash particles together at high speed, then we can open a portal to the fifth dimension. Can this really happen? Imagine a world where you go, you raise your hand, and then you notice that you see the front and back of your hand at the same time. Or you meet a person there, and you see that person's organs floating inside their body. Then congratulations, you are in a fifth dimension.
Dark matter is the most mysterious substance in the universe. Little is known about it. Scientists are pretty sure it exists, but still don't know what it is.
According to scientists, humans can only perceive 3 dimensions. This means that we can only perceive dimensions up to the 3rd, and anything beyond that is beyond our perception. For example, if there is a being in a 2-dimensional world, and we place a 3-dimensional object in front of it, the being can only perceive its shadow. However, if we change the perspective and place a 3-dimensional being there to observe, that being can perceive both the 2-dimensional world as well as the 1-dimensional world. This implies that we can only perceive dimensions up to the 3rd, and anything beyond that is incomprehensible to us. It's not that we can imagine a 4-dimensional object in a 4-dimensional world. Let's take a point on a screen. This is the 0th dimension. Now, let's take another point and place it anywhere on the screen and join them with a line. This is the 1st dimension. If we copy and paste this line and join them, we get a rectangle, which is a 2-dimensional figure. And then if we take another rectangle and join them, we get a 3-dimensional object, a cube. Now, if we take another cube and join its vertices, we get a tesseract, a 4-dimensional figure. This is still tough to imagine, but this is the closest that we can get to imagining the 4th dimension. But why is there even a need to imagine these dimensions? When we were in search of dark matter, scientists discovered that dark matter is just a normal fermion particle which, in the early stages of the universe, jumped to the 5th dimension. In the theory of the Big Bang, scientists state that the 4 fundamental forces, strong and weak nuclear force, electromagnetism and gravity, were unified during the Big Bang. You can imagine strong nuclear force, weak nuclear force, and electromagnetism together, but you cannot imagine gravity with them. It's like there is no logical connection of gravity with these forces. After merging the equations of ordinary matter with the equations of the 5th dimension, they found that when fermions or ordinary matter collide with each other with high intensity, they jump to the 5th dimension. Then they interact with the Higgs field, which significantly increases their mass, resulting in an increase in gravity. Additionally, due to their presence in the 5th dimension, we cannot see them. According to recent research, dark matter is just ordinary matter in the 5th dimension. If we can build a particle accelerator larger than the current Large Hadron Collider and collide 2 particles with high intensity, we can use that as a portal to the 5th dimension. In conclusion, the concept of higher dimensions, particularly the 5th dimension, poses a challenge to our imagination. While it may be difficult to fully comprehend these dimensions, their existence is supported by scientific theories and research. Exploring dimensions beyond our usual perception is essential for understanding the mysteries of the universe, such as dark matter.